Hunter.
Hey Carter, are you excited for your first ever boat day?
That's sweet.
This isn't.
I've been on a boat with Paul.
Are y'all excited? Well, they've been on a fishing boat, but never like a pontoon. Are y'all excited? Yeah. Are you helping? Are you manning the ship?
Need help?
Yeah. He doesn't need help, he's got it. Malika's turn. We had to deflate it and start over because the inside tube was the wrong direction.
I figured him being off last weekend, he'd probably have to work this
So hard.
We'll be here in a minute. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Right.
Man, it hurts.
Here we go.
Does it go around the base? Or does
It
it
goes
go
like
over?
all the way from Middle Road.
Are you excited?
Where does it go from?
We're about to go. It's in the seat.
We don't have a rope.
Climb up the ladder. What's that going to do?
Ready? Watch Abby.
Got me wet.
He does it every time.
Do you want to jump, Carter?
What?
Do you want to jump?
Sure.
Hang on, let's get your goggles.